Well, hopes for the return of US astronauts Butch Wilmore and Sunita Williams are at an all-time high as NASA and SpaceX have launched a mission to rescue them from the International Space Station. This report gets you the whole story.
After 9 months of being stuck on the International Space Station, US astronauts Butch Wilmore and Sunita Williams are a step closer to returning home. This, as SpaceX and NASA have launched a long-awaited mission to the International Space Station where the two have been stuck on the orbital lab.
Every crew that comes back goes through a fluid loading protocol just to make sure when they get back that their body is conditioned properly. But they'll go through there's nothing beyond what we'll normally do. They've done training already on the Dragon spacecraft while they've been on orbit to get familiar with the differences in the suits and the umbilicals and the seats and all that. So they'll be ready to come home when we're ready.
The 4-member mission, called Crew 10, comprises 2 Americans, a Russian, and a Japanese who will replace Williams and Wilmore on the ISS. But the duo can only prepare for return once Crew 10 gets adjusted to ISS conditions, which could take few days. They can return to Earth in a capsule that has been attached to the station since September last year as part of the prior Crew 9 mission. Williams and Wilmore reached the ISS in June 2024 for a mission which was originally expected to last a week. But NASA deemed it too risky for the astronauts to return on the Boeing Starliner over propulsion system-related issues. The mission to bring them back was later given to SpaceX, but the launch was delayed due to some technical problems and change in weather. The issue also took a political turn as Elon Musk, a close ally of President Donald Trump, claimed lapses on part of the previous administration led by Joe Biden. NASA has said that Williams and Wilmore have been carrying out scientific research and conducting routine maintenance and have remained safe. The duo's plight highlights risk of human spaceflight. It has also come as a major setback for Boeing's space venture. Bureau Report, DD India.